You're juggling work, family, and trying to stay healthy. But who has time for complicated diets or endless workouts? Welcome to Healthy World, where we share simple, science-backed ways to boost your health and feel your best. Today, we're diving into intermittent fasting, not just a trend, but a lifestyle that aligns with your body's natural rhythm. It's not about restriction. It's about giving your body time to heal, repair, and thrive. There's no one-size-fits-all method. You might try the 16-8 window, the 5-2 diet, or alternate day fasting. What matters is finding what works for you. Before we go further, hit that like button, subscribe to Healthy World, and share this video with someone curious about fasting. Intermittent fasting helps balance your hormones, supports cellular repair, and can even boost heart health and immunity. Studies suggest it may even promote longevity. But how do you get started? Start slow. Extend your fasting window gradually. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend. When you eat, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Plan ahead. Prep your meals and keep healthy options ready. And most importantly, listen to your body. Intermittent fasting is about working with your body, not against it. If this video gave you clarity or inspiration, like, share, and subscribe to Healthy World, because your wellness journey should be simple, sustainable, and effective. See you in the next video.